How to customize special punching dies. 3. Special mode customization. We can customize according to customer needs. Our custom die punching capabilities are diverse. Chamfering mode operation. First, install the chamfering die. Second, place the copper bar. Third, align the cutting edge of the chamfering die. Fourth, complete the copper bar chamfering process. Cut corners on both sides. First, install the corner cutting mode. Second, place the copper bar. Third, the cutting edge of the tangent die. Fourth, complete the cutting of both sides of the copper bar. Cutting edges mode. First, install the trimming die. Second, place the copper bar. Third, align the cutting edge. Fourth, complete the copper bar edge cutting.